Hello friends, my name is Solomon Pepra, and here on this channel I'll be making video tutorials on Vectorworks, Cinema 4D, Rhino, and many more. If these are the kind of applications that you wish to learn, then I recommend you subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first people to know. If you followed my previous video, then you know that I was looking at the basic tool sets, explaining some of the functions, some of the tools in the basic tool sets. But in this video, I'm going to begin with the 3D modeling tools. Okay, and I'm going to give you an overview of the various tools that are in the Vectorworks 3D modeling tool set, and I'm going to teach you how to use them in Vectorworks. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so the 3D modeling tool sets can be found under the basic tool sets. Okay, where we have a series of tool sets. Okay, we have the site planning, we have the irrigation, we have the GIS, we have the space planning, we have the building shell, which actually contains tools for BIM modeling. We have the 3D modeling tool sets. That's what we are going to be looking at. Okay, we also have the visualization, we have the detailing, we have the MEP, we have the fastness, we also have the machine components. But we are going to tackle the 3D modeling tool sets. And the first ones that we are going to tackle in this video, we are going to look at the push-pull tool, we are going to look at the set working plane tool, and the orbit tool, and the flyover tool. And the flyover tool we already explained in the when I was tackling the basic tool sets. I already gave an overview of the orbit or the flyover tool. It works the same here. It works the same here under the 3D modeling tool set. So let's quickly begin with the push-pull tool. Okay, let me hide this. Let me hide this. Okay, so basically the push-pull tool sets works similarly as a push-pull tool in SketchUp. If you are familiar with SketchUp, then you know that the push-pull tool in SketchUp, the push-pull tool Vectorworks works similarly to the push-pull tool in SketchUp. Okay, so let's see. So the push-pull tool is here where my mouse is. So once you click on it, right now I don't have anything to pull or to push here. Okay, so to create something, I want to first create a rectangle here. Okay, so when you come back to your basic tool set, you create your rectangle. Okay, you create a rectangle in a 3D environment. You create a rectangle, and Vectorworks has an automatic push-pull. Once you create any planar objects, once you create any 2D planar object, it automatically activates the push-pull tool for you to push-pull automatically. Or if you don't want to automatically push-pull, then you have to click on the selection tool to exit out of the automatic push-pull mode. Now you have a rectangle. Okay, so now if I want to use the push-pull tool, I just come to the push-pull tool here and then click on it, and then come back to my rectangle here, or to my 2D planar surface. I come here, you see, once it gets highlighted, meaning that I can push it or I can pull it. Because once you click on it, then you move it upwards. As you can see, move it upwards, and then you create your 3D geometry as simple as that. You can continue to move it upwards. You can push other areas. It's as simple as that. And then to fly over, you just have to click on the flyover tool here, and then you can fly over your model. As simple as that. You can fly over your model. Okay, so if I want to create another geometry on any side of this cube here, what I have to do is to just come here to the basic tool set, choose the geometry that I want to create on top or on the side or at the bottom of this cube here. I just come back to my 2D geometry. If I want to say I want to draw a circle at this point here, I just have to click, and then we are working at the automatic plane mode. Basically, the automatic plane mode automatically highlights the plane in which you're going to draw an object. Okay, so as you can see, this side is being highlighted in blue because this is where I'm going to draw the circle. If I wish to draw the circle at the top here, this circle will be highlighted in blue. Okay, so right now I'm going to just draw the circle here. So once you pick your center, then you define your radius to draw a circle. And I've already explained how to draw a circle in one of my basic 2-set tutorials. Okay, so once you draw the circle, once again you have the option to automatically push pull. Once you draw into the objects in Vectorworks, there's an automatic push pull. Once you see it highlighted, you know that there's an automatic push pull. Okay, so right now I'm not going to use the automatic push pull. I'm going to exit out of that, and I'm going to use the manual push pull here. So I come back to the push pull mode. I come back here again, see the circle is highlighted. I click on it and then move it to push pull it. As simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. And we are going to be looking at a more advanced ways to utilize the push pull mode. Okay, a combination of ways so you can make the push pull mode more complex, but for now I'm just trying to give you the basics of it and the basic explanations to it. Okay, as you can see, so basically that's that for the push pull tool. Very simple. Okay, so let me just draw another geometry here. This time around, let's choose another rectangle. So let me just draw another rectangle here. Okay, so once you draw a rectangle, as I explained earlier, you automatically have access to the push pull. Okay, so let's say this time around I want to use the automatic push pull method. So for the automatic push pull method, just have to click on it and then move it. As you can see, let me fly over here. As you can see, okay. So that's it for the push pull tool. Works similarly as the one in SketchUp. Okay, and this video is give you the basics of it. Once we move on to subsequent videos, we are going to see a combination of tools that actually make the push pull tool much more complex. We are going to do a much more complex modeling in subsequent videos, but in this video I'm just trying to give you an overview, just give you the basics of it for you to have a first-hand understanding of how the tools work. Okay, so moving on, we'll have the set working plane mode. So as I said earlier, once you want to draw any object, okay, you have the option to select which plane you want to work in. Right now it's set automatic, meaning that any point or any plane that I highlight, okay, that's the plane that's going to be automatically highlighted for me to draw whatever I want to draw. So right now, see, as I move my mouse or as I move my pointer to different positions, see it get highlighted in blue, meaning that that's the automatic plane that I'm going to draw on. Say if I want to set my own plane, it's also available here, another 3D modeling tool sets. It's called a set working plane. So you click on it. Okay, so if I want to set my plane at this side of this model, okay, I just have to click on that side, meaning that I have the opportunity to draw on I have the opportunity to work on this plane of the model. Okay, I have the opportunity to work on the plane of the model, meaning that I cannot draw on any other portion of the model aside from the where that I've set my working plane. Okay, you set the working plane, meaning that you want to work on that particular part of your model. Okay, so right now, as I've set the plane here, I can just come here, choose a rectangle. Okay, draw my rectangle. Once again, automatic push pull selected, click on it, then move it. Simple as that. So so in this video we have basically touched a few things, basically the push pull tool, how it works basically, and we've also looked at the set working plane mode, and the flyover tool I already explained in my previous videos. Okay, so that's basically that for this video. If you enjoyed it, then I recommend you subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first people to know. So in my next video, I'm going to look at the taper tool, the twist. Okay, I'm going to look at the taper, face tool, and then the deform tool. Okay, all the tools that we'll be doing in my next videos. We are going to be dealing with the 3D modeling tool sets. Okay, we are going to be dealing with the 3D modeling tool sets. So thanks very much. Thanks for being here. See you in the next video.